Hello there folks, and welcome along to Arbroath Railway Station. And kicking it off with stock HA12 is 43163 and 43144, working the 11:35 ScotRail Intercity City service from Aberdeen through to Glasgow Queen Street. Arriving next with stock HA07 is 43032 and 43028, working the 11:52 ScotRail Intercity City service from Aberdeen through to Edinburgh Waverley. Next to arrive into the station is 800-112, working the slightly delayed 12:03 LNER Azuma service from Leeds through to Aberdeen. Next train now to depart is 158703 with the 12:10 ScotRail service through to Dundee. Arriving next into the station with stock HA06 is 43146 and 43130, working the slightly delayed 12:29 ScotRail Intercity service from Glasgow Queen Street through to Aberdeen. Next out to depart, the only turbo star diagram we see all day, 170-415, working the slightly delayed 12:35 ScotRail service from Aberdeen through to Glasgow Queen Street. Next to arrive at the station with stock HA16 is 43151 and 43012, working the slightly delayed 1256 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Aberdeen. Take us back into the Scottish capital. Here comes with stock HA10, 43131 and 43150, working the slightly delayed 1259 ScotRail Intercity City service from Aberdeen through to Edinburgh Waverley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.